apologies for the noise. They're doing a bit of garden work next door and they got the cement mix on the go, so wait for that to stop and we'll dive into this. Hi, welcome back to Detail in the World. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to quickly upgrade your standard snow foam lands and the orifice inside from a 1.4mm to a 1.1mm to give you thicker snow foam. So last week's video then I showed you how to get thicker snow foam for less than sort of like £5 or $5 simply by upgrading the orifice in these snow foam lands, which is this little piece, to a smaller orifice which gives higher pressure and thicker foam. There was a few comments in the obviously comment section below asking how to actually change it. I have done videos in the past showing you how to do a service on your lands, and also when I bought the new pressure washer I upgraded all the attachments to quick release. If you haven't seen those videos I'll put links to them up here and also in the description below. But yeah, if you don't want to troll through those, as I said, we'll go through it today very quickly. It takes less than 5 minutes to swap this out and get thicker foam pretty much instantly basically. So tool wise, all you're really going to need is obviously the snow foam lance you want to replace and the smaller orifice, and then it's just going to be a screwdriver, a 40mm spanner. It may be a slightly bigger spanner if you've got a different attachment on here, but I'm using a 40mm, so if you've got quick release it's going to be 40mm, and also some PTFE tape as well. That's pretty much it, and well, we'll dive into it, and it's as quick as this, so hopefully it's going to be a one take video and you'll see how quick it is. So as I say, it's literally as easy as this. Then you just need to grab your snow foam lance and the 40mm spanner, break off the quick release attachment on this end, and then just unscrew the rest of that by hand. And then inside here, let me just bring the camera in a tad, wrong way, and get the torch on. Inside here, if it'll focus, you can see that is the orifice we've got to remove, and you can see it's just a flathead screwdriver required to get that out. So yeah, nice and easy. If you just take your flathead screwdriver, try and do this without even looking, so watching the camera, flathead screwdriver, quick turn, and that should just come out as easy as that. One shake and that's out. And then just get the new smaller orifice, which I'm cheating here. This is still a 1.4. It's one that I took out the lance that I've actually already upgraded. You drop that back in. I'm going to put the old one back in, but you drop that back in until it falls in nicely, and then just tighten that back up, and it's as simple as that without trying to cross thread it. Like that. Nice and easy, quick 2-minute job. And then you need to put the attachment back onto the lance. So as I say, you're going to need a bit of PTFE tape as well. Let's get things out of the way here, move the torch. So you want to grab your PTFE tape. Then you want to wind this on clockwise, I believe. So I lose my bearings. Yes, clockwise. Wind this on, and the reason you want to do it clockwise is so it doesn't sort of like undo itself as you screw this back into the snow foam lance. If you have watched the video of getting thicker snow foam lance, you know I had an issue with this, and I think possibly when I did this upgrade to quick release I may have cross-threaded it. It may have been, I mean, this is a cheap snow foam lance that I bought. So it may be that this bit is a bit damaged. The threads on this look absolutely fine, so it might be the threads inside. But anyway, that's my case, not your case, so you don't need to worry. But yeah, gently put this in, finger tight. So at the moment that's not cross-threaded. I think it's as I tighten it, it goes. And then with your spanner, you don't need to go too tight, and that's it really. So literally as easy as that. That has taken about 4 minutes to do, also whilst filming at the same time. So yeah, nice, easy, £3, £4, £5 mod to get instant thicker snow foam. So yeah, nice short video for a change there. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, please do consider subscribing as well. Also be sure to check us out on our Instagram, which is at Detail in the World Official. I'm on there as randomly say if you want to see all the behind the scenes. If you want to see any extra bonus footage, any bonus posts, you can support us on Patreon as well. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any more questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll answer them as quickly as I can and try and get a video if you request one. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.